Hi guys, in today's video I am going to show you guys how I gave my husband a haircut. You guys, I have been cutting my husband hair ever since we met. He has never gone to a barbershop. I cut his hair for our wedding. People didn't believe me. I cut his hair for work. Ever since we met for the past 5 years, I cut his hair.
Every 2-3 weeks.
Well, every 2-3 weeks, I cut his hair. So I'm about to show you guys how I get that done. Hopefully you guys enjoy me cutting his hair and tell me how it turns out.
Okay, so what we used to do is to cut the hair 3 different levels. First, the longest one, all around the hair, especially the top one. Then 2 levels down, she's gonna do this part and behind. And then with the middle one, she's gonna make it look equal.
So here we go. My job here is D-O-N-E. Done. What did you think I do? You like it?
I like it.
You always like it?
I always like it.
How you stutter? Ah! Anyway, you guys, so I hope you guys enjoy watching me cut my husband hair. And everybody who didn't believe me that I cut my husband hair, now you have the proof. The proof is in the pudding. So enjoy watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Subscribe to our channel if it's your first time. And we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye. Hi guys, how are you all doing? I just wanted to let you guys know that that the winners of the Kidloland app are Stacey and Smith, Just Nakita Vlogs, and Peterson. I'll send you guys a direct message of all the information that I'll need in order for you guys to go ahead and get your 3-month free subscription. Congrats to all you guys who won, and hope you guys will enjoy the app. Bye guys.